Hi, Tamara from KOGGER here. Content is the key when making our websites relevant and visible online. But why is it so hard to write and make content? What's the solution? The Value Workshop will help you with this. Great content will separate you from the others and you'll be easier to find online. Wouldn't it be great to use the different personalities you have on your team and use their experience and competence to create great content that will make you stand out, that will differentiate you? The Value Workshop will help you with exactly this. Do you have any questions? Look further down on the page and you'll see our FAQ, or you can chat with us. So what are you waiting for? Leave your contact info and we'll talk soon.